Hello, fifth graders. Welcome to day 2 of our phonics and word study. Today we're going to look at something called adjective suffixes. Right? There's some endings to words that show us that they are adjectives. And if you remember, an adjective is a word that describes a noun. Okay, so when words end in the Y or ent, I've, ick, or full, those are signs that they're adjectives. All right, so we're going to be working in our My Word Study book on page 26. And we're going to start off our work by finding words that have one of these adjective suffixes. Then we're going to pronounce each word together. You'll practice reading the words on your own. And eventually, when you are ready, you will have someone time you for 1 minute as you read the words. All right, so I'm going to flip into my word study book so we can look at these together. All right, so do you see sunny ends in a Y, okay, and sunny's describing the weather. It's an adjective. Okay, so see if you can find one other that ends in a Y. Okay, and the next one is ent, E-N-T. Okay, excellent ends in the ENT suffix. That's a sign that it is an adjective. Okay, and then we have ive, I-V-E. Okay, I see attractive. Okay, that I-V-E, that's a sign it's an adjective. Then we have ick, poetic. And that's describing, ends in an IC, or historic. Try to find one more. And then here we have peaceful. That full at the end is showing that it's describing something. Peaceful, we have wasteful. And if you challenge yourself to find one more, I know they're not very tricky, putting them all in line. But remember, our focus is just to notice that these words, the English language has rules, and there's reasons that we spell the words as we do. All right, so our next step here is to read these words together. I'm going to go ahead and read just like I have done in the past, where I start in the top left and read down, and then move to the next column and read down until we've moved our way all the way to the right. And then I'll read the words below the gray line. Okay, so to start us off, we have sunny, excellent, impressive, poetic, peaceful, shiny, different, exotic, joyful, positive, cozy, innocent, protective, historic, wasteful, heavy, current, elastic, truthful, negative, ugly, absent, attractive, magnetic, cheerful, worthy, frequent, gigantic, boastful, creative, lazy, patient, divisive, organic, doubtful, bloody, native, artistic, powerful, plastic, noisy, intelligent, explosive, dramatic, fearful, cozy, active, specific, stressful, early. All right, and then we'll go below the gray line where we have healthy, confident, expansive, optimistic, delightful, consistent, punitive, scientific, resourceful, genetic, wealthy, independent, cumulative, graphic, wonderful, persistent, cohesive, archaic, neglectful, academic, beautiful, competent, aggressive, patriotic, meaningful, affluent, abrasive, titanic, plentiful, automatic, permanent, lenient, adaptive, catastrophic, grateful, obedient, sensitive, aquatic, flavorful, defective, insistent, emergent, invasive, realistic, stressful, eloquent, apparent, dynamic, impactful, and sorrowful. All right, go ahead and read through these words 1 or 2 more times by yourself, and then have someone time you to see how many you can read within 1 minute.